Let's recap what we know about protons, neutrons, and electrons. So what do we know about a proton? We know that it is positively charged. We also know that the proton is located in the nucleus of the atom. A proton weighs 1 atomic unit. The proton determines the identity of an element. So if we change the number of protons, you're changing the entire atom. So it determines the identity or the ID of the element. Let's recap what we know about neutrons. A neutron has no charge. The neutron is located in the nucleus of the atom. The neutron weighs 1 atomic unit. If you change the number of neutrons, you create an isotope. Let's review what we know about an electron. An electron has a negative charge. It is located in the outer shells. An electron has no weight. If you change the number of electrons, you create an ion. An ion is basically a charged atom.